The following graph shows a relationship between the calories in an 8-ounce serving of a sport drink and the corresponding grams of carbohydrates. Estimate the number of calories, X, in 8 ounces of a sport drink with the following grams of carbohydrates. For part A, we have 16 grams of carbohydrates. So we look on the vertical axis because that's carbohydrates, and we locate 16 grams. We then move straight across to where it intersects the line, which is at this particular point. And then we come down and we see that it's at 64 calories. Part B, more than 16 grams of carbohydrates. Well, we've already located that 16 grams was at exactly 64. So if we want more than 16 grams, we want above that. So in other words, we come across to the 64 and we want this portion, which means more than 64 calories. C, less than 16 grams of carbohydrates. Once again, our key point is 16 and 64. So this portion of the graph is below 16 grams of carbohydrates. And therefore, what we're looking at is less than 64 calories. Part D, interpret the slope of the graph. Well, if we look at the slope, for instance, let's draw a triangle. What we see is we have a run of 16 and a rise of 4. So that's 4 over 16, or 1 over 4. And what that's referring to is 1 gram of carbohydrates equals 4 calories.